Today, we're going to prepare traditional Croatian sweet donuts, deep fried to golden perfection. This recipe is incredibly simple and quick to make. So without further ado, let's get started. Crack 2 medium eggs into a bowl. Add 60 grams of sugar and 8 grams of vanilla sugar. You can replace it with vanilla extract if you like. Mix the ingredients until most of the sugar has dissolved. We're mixing, not whisking. After a few minutes, add 300 grams of yogurt, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons of alcohol. In my case, it's rakiša, but you can just as easily use rum, whiskey, brandy, or vodka. Mix everything thoroughly. In a separate bowl, sift 330 grams of wheat flour and add 8 grams of baking powder. These 2 ingredients need to be mixed well together. Next, add the entire flour and baking powder mixture to the rest of the ingredients and mix until you obtain a smooth, sticky batter. This will probably take about 5 minutes. Pour about half a liter of oil into a small pot and heat it to approximately 170 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a kitchen thermometer, use a toothpick. If bubbles start to form around it, the oil is ready for frying. Now there are 2 techniques for making these mini donuts. With the first method, dip a spoon into the oil, scoop up a bit of batter, and then, using your finger, drop it into the hot oil. The second technique is safer, but you'll get a bit messier. Take a small amount of batter in your hand and squeeze it to the desired size. Then cut it off with a spoon that has been previously dipped in oil. With this method, the donuts come out more evenly round. Fry the donuts until they reach a deep golden color. Then remove them and place them on paper towels to cool. Sprinkle them generously with powdered sugar and hide them from the rest of the household, because they disappear in the blink of an eye. And what about you? What are your favorite sweet treats? Let me know in the comments.